Wednesday, July 26th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Let's start off with a few live cameras across the region. Here is a peek at High Point early this morning. And it is a pretty quiet start to the day across all the Triad viewing area. A couple showers have developed in the foothills. I'll show you that in a second. Again, that's High Point. We'll take a peek here from the Greensboro Tower camera. And again, it's quiet. And finally, the Dowd YMCA camera looking toward uptown Charlotte. A little bit of cloud cover developing overhead. The temperature at 79. Pretty warm out there early this morning in many spots. It was another fairly hot day yesterday. 94 in Charlotte, 96 in Columbia, 86 in Fayetteville, 91 in Raleigh, Greenville, and Greensboro. Upper 80s and lower 90s around the Triad viewing area. A lot of low and mid 90s through the Piedmont of the Charlotte viewing area. Some 80s up in the high country. And again, that Salisbury and Wadesboro FAA run temperature sites, those sites continue to be offline. Look at the heat over the Plain States, back over 100 in Dodge City. But what I want to direct your attention to is the northeastern part of the country. Look at the cooler air up that way. That's what's kind of building our way. And today, for many of us, is going to be the most pleasant day we've had temperature-wise in quite a while. Now, the radar and the satellite, not a whole lot happening. But we do have these showers and thunderstorms which have kicked up early this morning into parts of the foothills. Some cloud ground lightning there in southern parts of Caldwell County, south of Lenoir early this morning. And continue to see those showers and storms develop. In fact, here, let me pull up the camera there from Caldwell County. Probably catch, if we're patient just a second here, probably catch a little bit of lightning off on that southerly horizon. Of course, I just saw a couple strikes before I started cutting the video. As luck would have it, probably not going to be able to catch one as I'm doing the actual video. Give it another second or two. But the bottom line is a couple of those thunderstorms have developed in the foothills very, very early this morning. And they will be the mountains and the foothills. It's the favored zone for a few showers out there as we go through the course of today. All right, well, let's get on with it here. Otherwise, eastern part of the country relatively quiet, but you do have some big areas of rain and storms with our next cold front of the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes, and that cold front gets here late Friday. Today, northeasterly flow kind of kicking around to an easterly and southeasterly flow, and that wind flow banks up against the mountains. So the mountains, the foothills, and spilling into the Piedmont have some clouds, and it will be the mountains and the foothills that have the best shower chances today. There's the high-resolution modeling, again, kind of showing you the best shower chance in the mountains and the foothills. Temperatures today, how about that? A lot of 80s on the board today. Tomorrow, more of a southerly flow just ahead of our next cold front. Could be a couple of isolated storms develop, too. There's our Thursday high temperatures. And then on Friday, that's the day the next cold front gets here, so I think a pretty good round of showers and thunderstorms later Friday. We'll have to watch that Friday afternoon and evening severe weather potential. And there's your Friday afternoon high temperatures looking like that. Behind that cold front, though, beautiful stuff as we get into the weekend. Cooler and drier air taking over. Look at these low temperatures by Sunday morning. We're talking 80s for high Saturday and Sunday, and much, much lower humidity taking hold for a while. That'll be really nice. Tropics, it's pretty quiet over the Atlantic Basin. Not much happening through the Gulf of Mexico or the Caribbean Sea. Now, in the eastern Atlantic, there's a tropical wave out there that we'll keep an eye on, but it is very, very weak right now. Eastern Pacific, things are very active. You still have 3 classified tropical systems, but they are all basically going to meander around through the open waters of the eastern Pacific Ocean, not threatening any land areas. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.